go. Tá meet comparte glacha I Comórtas BEO. Gordon B. B. Gordon E. E. Gordon O. O. Over BEO. BEO. BEO.
I was going believing that you were coming to. All I had to guide me then were some made up truths. I spent 7 days alone.
What is BEO? Well, in essence, it's just putting on a gig. It's that simple, I suppose. It's the ability to think big. I think that's probably something that we've learned this year. To really ask yourself, can we put on a show in our school, get people to come to the show and really have an awesome day? Like, have that show rocking, like aim for like an artist that is going to get a buzz going.
I love to see the slightest change in the writings on the wall.
So obviously it's about the talent in the local area, it can be the talent in the school, but also there has to be that buzz as well. So we're seeing so many schools here today that clearly they get it, like, and I really believe that this can keep going from strength to strength, because why not have schools promoting gigs? It's like the perfect scenario. These are the people that are going to go to gigs, so why shouldn't they be the people to promote the gigs, to present the gigs, to greet the artists? So any TY class, any TY year, this is what you want to be doing. You learn about business, you learn about PR, you learn about event management, you learn about the music industry, and these are practical skills that you can use again and again. So BEO is the name of the competition, and I think it's a fantastic competition, and definitely something that I'm proud to be associated with, and hopefully we'll see it go from strength to strength, and it's already nationwide, but we'll see so many more schools involved as well, the length and breadth of Ireland.
After 7 days alone.
And they are, wait for it, Public School.
This project gave us the chance, an opportunity to be heard. We could express ourselves. We got to make major decisions. Some of us have a newfound interest in music and intend to go to more gigs in the future. We had so much responsibility for this event, and it meant a lot to us. It has been the highlight of our transition year.